Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google OAuth consent screen for project management integrations, full guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Log in using your Google account credentials. Select or create a new project for your application. In the left sidebar, click on APIs and Services. Next, select OAuth consent screen. Choose the user type for your application. For this guide, select External if your app is for external users. Click Create. Fill in the necessary application details, including the app name and support email. Add any required logo or additional information as prompted. Under Scopes, you can add specific permissions your app will request. Click on Add or Remove Scopes to specify these permissions. Select the appropriate scopes from the provided list. Once you're done, click Update. Scroll down to Test Users if you're still in the testing phase. Add email addresses of users who will test the application. If your app is ready for production, review the required information. And mark it as verified if needed. Review the publishing status. Change it to production if your app is ready for public use. Click Save and Continue after confirming all information is accurate. Next, navigate to Credentials in the left sidebar. Select Create Credentials and choose OAuth Client ID. Choose the application type that fits your use case. Provide the necessary information for your application type. Click Create. Take note of your client ID and client secret for later use. Return to the OAuth consent screen to finalize configuration. Review all sections to ensure completeness. Once satisfied, click Submit for verification if necessary. Follow any additional prompts related to the verification process. Monitor your email for updates on the verification status. Make any adjustments as requested by Google during the verification. Once verified, your app will be ready for wider integration. Now your Google OAuth consent screen is authorized for project management integrations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.